William is there basically as a president. What he's doing, he wanted no go to Sierra. But one of the most unpopular presidents is William Ruto. If you just go to the neighboring country,
Are you sure?
Tanzania. Yeah, he is. Because one, everybody is saying one time. Everybody is not happy with him. The obogi mabone gorigeria eborobo kong. Kero monto is saying William tigagende. Understand? Oise korigere bone ga masomo. Monto kio tari korigadia masomo sense as a president. Education is the key, is an equalizer. That as a president, uente konya number one as the main factor, yoko ensure ngabantu bao at least they are moving. You can't deny education as abantu bao. You can't deny good health care as abantu bao. You can't deny abantu bao kore biashara that you want to ensure that kiromondo kore biashara you want to bring them. You see in this country there is too much inflationary. The economy is totally done. So that's the reason Ruto has no big scorecard or as a compare na former President Uhuru Kenyatta. That's why you see Uhuru Kenyatta is very, very popular. You could be able to see the reception that guy was given was overwhelming. Everybody was happy. But when Ruto stood, everybody was seeing there's a way they look at him. But to me, I can be able to say the comment that he made or the statement that he made is just political. It is very political. But in the reality, if the opposition party, the opposition group, and then they come with one candidate, Ruto will be a one-term president. Yes.